Back again, do the tent. We gotta get rid of this invisible tent. Yeah, rice it up, baby, rice it up. Great, that's right, get on the board. We're back. You see my eyes? This is what supercharged 807 horsepower do to you. You don't need no meth. You don't need no fentanyl no more. Get you a Hellcat jailbreak. Something over 700 horsepower. Get up out of that door. You're in a Honda Civic. Get out of it. Back again, do the tent. We got to get rid of this invisible tent. We got to put on some real tent like it was. We're going back with the ominous or purple. And we're gonna have it back slapping for y'all. And yeah, man, hey, I'm hooking it up to enjoy it before I give it away. All right, so yeah, we over here at tent status, and we messed up and put the invisible. I didn't know that they should name this an omni tent. Call this the invisible tent. That's more like it. You know what I'm saying? What they call it, ionized. Ionized is like, when I think of ionized, I think of eye drop in water or something.
Yeah, that's basically what it is. Invisible.
Exactly.
Yeah, invisible. Yeah, that looks ridiculous.
And fishbowl, I see how I feel the fishbowl it though, man. Feel weird.
The marketing was real good on this. They marketed.
Oh yeah,
this
yeah.
Yeah,
man, should have got that refund. You know what I mean? Yeah. I probably could keep this. I forgot what color that is. Oh yeah, that's that. We don't know what it looked like. We didn't see it though, huh?
The Aurora?
When they did it. He would know. He did it.
I don't know, that one doesn't look like it. That one looks different. It looks like lighter or something. A little bit.
It's different than that one.
Oh, it is? So yeah, I do see, yeah. That might be the Aurora. It just blended in with the car, remember?
Oh, wow.
Maybe a little light.
So it's probably gonna blend in with the car too, like that other one did with the Camaro. It's gonna be something unique to see.
Does it look better than the fish invisible?
Hey, homie. Don't be hating on the fishbowl.
Hey, we tried something, you know?
Oh, man, don't be hating on the fishbowl. Ooh, on the hunt for the best cookie in the world. Ooh.
Those are, they're Cookie Monster cookies.
Oh, I know. Cookie Monster, kids go love them. So here we go, guys. On the hunt for the best cookie in the world. So we can bring you guys the best cookies in the world. So we're gonna start off with this one. And this one is called the what?
It's a Cookie Monster cookie.
Cookie Monster. Ooh, look at that. Moist inside. And here we go. That's surprisingly better than I thought. Good. Ooh, here we go though. When I see chocolate chip, I just cream my pen. Look at that. Sucking. I'm shaking. I'm so happy. Original, man. The original. Elon.
Or
Black Rock.
Black Rock, yeah.
We coming for y'all spot, man. We about to get $1 trillion off there.
Oh yeah, like that.
We coming for the $1 trillion spot. What's their name? Crumble, Rumble. Hang it up. Y'all just shut down your operation because your cookies is trash. Hey, you, it's time to recover them muscles. Get your Hypey Aminos at hypelife.com. Rice it up, baby. Rice it up. And you know, I see they like to see how it looks inside the car. So we're gonna do some inside car footage. Yes, sir.
That front tint is sick.
Oh yeah.
The front tint's just. I actually
that's
like
set
set
it
it
off.
exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, that's set it off. There it goes. Yeah. Yeah. I'll turn this on.
Play with it.
Yeah, we out here, man. Look at Now I'm about to have fun driving.
Look at him.
Have fun driving. Yeah, it looks way better with tint on it.
Yeah, for sure.
Hell yeah, well there we go, man. Omni tint status, hooked it up again, man, and we out here, man. About to go on this ride, POV. I want to get it washed. I probably need to call Ishmael, but I don't know if I should wash it right now after just getting it tinted. Oh, I'm in the game. All right, bucko. Get home and I'll call you up. All right, safe travel. Here we go, man. We up in here, baby. We up in here. What's up with y'all? Ah, yeah. Got on my Strength Cartel wear. Let me put that joke in the mode it's supposed to be up. So yeah, we driving, y'all get to see what it look like. That good purple, man. It is dark, baby. But you know, once you get used to it, it's cool. The raffle giveaway is live, man. This right here can be yours. I mean, it's loaded to the max. And if you don't like this wrap, you can do it yourself. You can customize it yourself. That's right, Reflections Detail will customize it. You tell me when I announce the winner, and the raffle creator picks out the winner, right, through an automated system, which we will be doing live. We will go live on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, and to prove to you guys that it's a real giveaway. And guess what? Second and third place. Second place gets $2,000. Third place $1,000. Hey, we gonna keep it rolling. I want to see the whole world win a car. I want to get a whole world of car, and not only any car, a car with over 700 horsepower. That's right, Kylie Muscle gonna bring it to you, man. So this right here, all you gotta do is click the link in the description, and your chances to win. More tickets, more chances. I'm telling you, you don't want to miss out on this. It got a new audio kicker system. It got the powder coated brakes. It's just beautiful. The interior blood red. Oh my God. You don't want to miss out on this. An 807 horsepower car could be yours. So enter now. I love you guys, and let's keep it going. Hurry up. Don't miss your chance on this car. Whoever win this, you'll be able to do what they want to with it. You'll be able to customize it yourself. We like doing 10, trying new stuff. A lot of people, you know, won't do what we do. So we out here, Tent Status is in Van Nuys. Good company we found. Little moms and pops want the owner. It is different, boy, the front. It's definitely a day car. So tomorrow I go pick up the GT500 from Reflections Detail, and we got a new tent we go try on that as well. You know, when we do this car content stuff, we just trying stuff, man, that, you know, most people can't try. You know, it all could be taken off in stock like y'all like it. So, you know, I know everybody got their comments. I wouldn't have did this. I wouldn't have did that. None of it. We just having fun. That's the bottom line. And we just giving people ideas for when they want to get stuff. You know what you want to do to yours. You know what you don't want to do to yours. It's just how, you know, you bounce ideas off. A lot of people, like, when they get a car, it's like they life. With us guys, this stuff come and go. Get it, get rid of it, get it again if you want to, and coconut water, baby. Got that coconut water. We take a lot of stuff for granted. Even though I never have, because I did 11 years in prison. So I never took life for granted, my freedom for granted. Gotta get away from these bots, bro. Yeah, buddy. Lightweight, baby. Lightweight, baby. This is my second funnest car. GT500. Mwah. Well, and above, I have one above the GT500. Spider McLaren. Nothing like a drop top in LA, boy. Hey, nothing like a drop top in Los Angeles, boy. Oh, that's heaven for me. I was just thinking about it today, like, what's the best feeling to me? Like, driving one of these cars, but especially a McLaren. I was in heaven when I had that McLaren, when it was running right, before I got it tuned at Gentani, and it messed up, like all tunes do eventually. My recommendation is that nobody get a tune. Everybody get your money up, get rid of vices. No vices, bro. If you eat too much, whatever you spend money on the most, cut that back. Cut that in half. Then I guarantee you a stack bread, you'll be able to do what you want to in life. But yeah, I got a lot of good stuff coming out, man. Got a few other things I'm adding to the supplement line. But ultimately, I'm on this take care of your health, man. That's my hype now. I know a lot of people see a lot of old videos, me doing mukbangs and all that, but that's not the lifestyle I promote. Just cruising, man, cruising. I'm excited to see who win this, man. I've did a lot of giveaways, but nothing as big as this. Like, this is life changing. To win a car from road, it's like you can keep it and do content or whatever, or you can sell it and invest the bread or something like that. Man, I'm trying to think if I ever won anything. Didn't much need to get done to the GT500. I just powder coated the wheels black, and they did some touch up on the emblems. If I keep the GT500, don't decide to wrap it, I'm gonna paint it how to wrap it. It's funny, once you get lights like underglow and headlights, you get addicted to it, and you need it to be on at all times. Then it also drains your battery. So it's quite a few cons to the lights, but it just looks so good. You know, when something looks so good, but you still, it's like being a bodybuilder. You gotta work your butt off to look good. There's a lot of cons. You gotta eat a lot of food. You gotta sacrifice your body. Coming out of nowhere, right? This is a weird area, bro. Get me away from around here. Oh no, I'm trying to go on the other side where the rich folks at, bruh. Okay, bro, this is you know, for all y'all that live Canyon Country, Palmdale, I've been like, bruh, when y'all get your paper right, y'all gotta do like me, move to Orange County, man. For me, I like a host of stuff. I'm just a all-out hustler, bro. My fun is working. That's my hobby. I enjoy working. I enjoy staying busy, especially now I'm being older. Like, if you're able to move and have your wits about you, and I get to still got a few little muscles left, see, that's living, man. That is living. Everybody always, they focus on you as bigger. Bigger don't mean you look good. Classic physique look way better than bodybuilders to me. I don't like that. Like the images I like, the guys that I like would have been classic physique. Lee Haney, Flex Wheeler, they would have been classic physique nowadays. Those the physiques that I looked up to. So I don't care about, I could be thin as the wind, but shredded, cut up with a six-pack. As long as I got my six-pack, I'm happy. I'm crazy. Go out. Go out. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. Get on it, boy. Get on.
Click here to watch another awesome video from Cali Muscle. And if you support the channel, hit the subscribe button.